Maida-sized banana, turmeric powder, ghee, water, coconut oil, gram flour, sugar and salt. Take a bowl. Add maida, gram flour, sugar, salt, turmeric powder, water. Mix well. Now batter is ready. Rest it for 15 minutes. Let's start cooking. Heat the pan, pour oil. Dip banana into the batter. Let it fry. Take it from the pan. Now my dish is ready. Now let's make coffee. Ingredients: jaggery, coffee powder, water. First boil water. Add jaggery. Let it boil. Then add coffee powder. Allow to boil well. Now coffee is ready. Let's taste. Super, very tasty. Friends, let's try your recipe. Bye.